In prime time news this evening, fiery protest following controversial police shooting in St. Andrew community. Police High Command insists body cameras are still on the agenda. And the Prime Minister gives update on state's fight against COVID-19.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the Financial Week, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: do you plan to travel overseas when the country's airports are fully reopened? Give reasons for your answer.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.